This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Contour Palette. I just recently got this and I have loved it so far. You can tell that I use the contour shading a lot, and then I'll use a little bit of the bronzer too, just to add some warmth back into my face. I love these tones because I feel like they're very natural looking. A lot of bronzer can tend to look pretty orange or yellow on my skin just because of my undertones, but I feel like this is so cool tone that it helps a lot, and then I can just go over it with this one and it blends really well. You don't need a ton of product, so I feel like this palette will last me a really long time. And it does have a coconut scent, and usually fragrances are kind of a no-no when it comes to makeup, but all the reviews were good, so I decided to give it a try, and so far I've not noticed any breakouts or anything, which usually come with fragrance. So I really like it. Really love this brand. It really does feel like butter on my face. It's super smooth and works so well.